Most people get this wrong. They think all resume builders are the same, but Enhancv offers a unique approach that can make your resume stand out. Today, they'll give you my honest review based on actual usage. Enhancv is designed to create visually appealing, professional resumes that highlight your skills and achievements. Unlike standard templates, it allows customization of sections, colors, and even personal statements, which helps your resume reflect your personality while staying professional. The app guides you through each section with tips on what to include and how to phrase it. For example, instead of just listing managed a team, you can write managed a team of 10 and increase productivity by 20%, which makes a stronger impression. Enhancv also offers templates optimized for different industries. Whether you're in tech, finance, or creative roles, the platform provides layout suggestions tailored to what recruiters expect. The live preview feature is very helpful. You can see exactly how your resume will look as you build it. The downside is that some features require a paid subscription, like advanced templates for exporting in multiple formats. However, the free version is sufficient for most users who want a simple yet professional resume. In conclusion, Enhancv is a strong choice if you want a resume that stands out visually and professionally. It's particularly useful for people applying to competitive industries where presentation and clarity matter. Subscribe for more honest reviews of resume tools and tips to help you land your next job faster.